May 1983, passage B, 100 words per minute, start. A frequent cause of lack of efficiency and loss of profit in business arises where the staff is permitted to get slack in attending punctually at the time fixed for the commencement of work or in returning from the midday meal. In offices, as distinct from factories, if unpunctuality is not checked, the staff may begin to consider that any time of arrival will do, and soon the whole staff, influenced possibly by the late arrival of senior, tends to arrive a quarter of an hour or so late. In all well appointed offices, a definite time is allotted for meals, and these hours should be rigidly adhered to, as otherwise, in the aggregate, a considerable amount of time per day is lost to the business. Para. Similar loss of time occurs in factories and may be a serious matter where payment is made by the hour, day, or week, but where wages are based on results, the loss is mainly borne by the dilatory employee. Similarly, loss of time between jobs occasioned by failure to report the finishing of one job and that another is required causes unremunerative expenditure for labor. Para. In offices, perhaps the best way of preventing late arrivals or early departures is to institute a system of time recording whereby each member of the staff is required to sign in a book specially provided for the purpose, recording by the side of the signature the time of arrival or departure as the case may be. Such a system is, however, useless unless appropriate action is taken with delinquents, particularly those who are persistent offenders. It must be admitted, however, that the institution of a staff time book is usually repugnant to those who are normally punctual and consequently should be avoided if possible. But in very large organizations, such a book or some other check is almost indispensable. Para. In factories, there are various methods of recording arrivals and departures, some of them combining also in their mechanism the preparation of time sheets for wages calculations. The simpler machines consist of clocks with a space provided through which the employees signs on a strip of paper. Other systems also using clocks have special numbered cards contained in racks, and the employee on arriving withdraws his card from one rack, inserts it in the clock machine, depresses a handle which prints on the card his arrival time.